Hey guys, this is Hemi from Grow with Hemi. Today I'm going to talk about the LinkedIn hack. I was actually talking last couple of videos, was talking about the whole Facebook hacking, Instagram hacking, but many of us actually don't know LinkedIn can be used to bring leads in your business. We always know that LinkedIn is a professional networking opportunity, but nowadays people use the LinkedIn for getting the lead in the business, and it can be a fantastic tool to bring the lead in your business, especially the people who are teaching something to others, because this particular social media, this particular LinkedIn is all about the people, the professional people are there, and they always love to upskill themselves. So something I want you to think about. Let's talk about what are the things you can do in LinkedIn. So the first thing is about your LinkedIn profile. I found that many of you actually don't use your LinkedIn profile properly. So when I go there, I really don't find what you do, what is your authority, and also you know that particular profile you can use for SEO. So when you are using your LinkedIn account and doing really fantastic SEO, and I go to Google and I write about you, I found what you are expert, what is your authority. Because it's so important to create the authority in the market. So I always teach people about how to create your profile. So the first thing is about your LinkedIn profile. You put in a way so I can find you from Google. When I write about your name or your LinkedIn profile, I find you. What do you do, what is your authority. Then I go to your profile and I find you exactly what do you do and what is your authority for. The second thing I always teach people about in your LinkedIn, do some article. It's very important because people actually read the article in Facebook, in LinkedIn, and you can do that SEO as well. It's good for your SEO as well. The number third is about comments. So you need to put some comments about when other people are putting article. Just put your opinion in there. Don't be aggressive, but put your opinion in a way so they say, oh my God, who is this guy? And they're gonna give you the answer and start the conversation. So you're engaging other people. Give the opportunity to others to write the comments in your article itself. So this is very important. So these are the three things you can do in terms of engaging people in your LinkedIn. In terms of the selling or bringing the leads, there is a LinkedIn, it has got Sales Navigator. So you can pay some money and utilize your Sales Navigator so you can follow other companies, you can follow other people, you can send email, you can run your ad campaign in LinkedIn. So it's important to learn about the whole Sales Navigator concept to bring the leads in your business. There are lots of other ways, other techniques. You can utilize your LinkedIn to bring the leads in your business. Trust me, if you know all this social media and all this media and you hack them, your business is gonna grow 10 times. I can guarantee your business is gonna grow 10 times in the next 6 months. If you're an employee and want to be an entrepreneur, I would recommend you to learn all these social media skills. Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Then also there are other aspects of SEO, Google AdWords, Google Analytics, which I'm going to talk about in my next video. But you can combine all this together in 6 months, learn all these skills, start using all this media and become a digital entrepreneur. This is your opportunity. I'm telling you again, the way world is going at the moment, this is your opportunity to become a digital entrepreneur. All this entrepreneur concept is for me is all about freedom. And if you become the digital entrepreneur, you have got full freedom. You can do whenever you want. You can do whatever you want, and you have got full financial freedom. So I want to recommend you to start to think about all social media hack. I'm gonna come to my next video and I'm gonna show you how to put everything together and do the automation. So I'm gonna see you in my next video. Thank you, everyone.